Alright class, today we're going to be doing some activities for some reading comprehension on chapters 6 through 11 of Tuck Everlasting. I'm going to give you guys a choice for the first activity to either do a Venn diagram or create a drawing from a bird's eye view of the Tuck family home. Now can anyone tell me all the members of the Tuck family? Alright, yes, Pa. Yep, May. Jesse. Alright, who's the last one? Miles. Alright. Now, what do we use Venn diagrams for? That's right, to compare the differences and similarities. So you're going to compare Winnie Foster with one of the Tuck family members that we just went over, or you can create a drawing from bird's eye view of the Tuck family home. Now, can anyone tell me what I'm asking when I say I want you to draw from a bird's eye view? Yep, up above like you're looking down, like you're a bird flying through the sky. Okay, so if you want to do the Venn diagram comparing Winnie and one of the Tuck family members, just raise your hand and I'll give you this worksheet right here. All right. Okay, now raise your hand if you want to do the drawing of the Tuck family home. And I'll give you a blank piece of paper. All right. Now, for those of you who are going to be doing the drawing, you're allowed to use your books because I know that their family home has a lot of clutter going on. So I want you to make sure that you include all of that clutter in the drawing. And I'll give you guys about 15 minutes to finish this activity. Okay, so now that everyone has had a chance to share their drawing and their Venn diagrams, I want you guys to get into groups of 2 to 3. We are going to be working on a text analysis worksheet. You guys have done this before. And in your groups, I want to hear some good communication going on. And you're allowed to use your books to complete these questions because I want you to give some textual evidence for your answers. You guys will have about 20 minutes to complete this in your group. And then once we are done, we're going to have a whole class discussion about our answers. Alright, now that we've had a good class discussion about each of the answers from the text analysis, I want you to do a think, pair, share with a partner next to you. And I want you to choose which Tuck family member you think is most like you and describe how they're like you from using evidence from the story. You'll have a few minutes to think about your answer to yourself, share it with your partner, and then we're going to share it with the class. Alright, now that everyone has shared their answer, I'm going to ask you guys one last question. What do you guys think will happen in the following chapters that we're going to be reading next? Alright, you think Winnie will keep their secret? Okay. Yeah, in the next chapter, Pa is going to have a talk with her about how important it is. Does anyone think that she might not keep it? What do you think would happen if she didn't keep the secret? Do you think everyone would wonder how they've been alive for so long, that they might want to do the same that they did, drink the water and live forever? All right. So for your homework today, you're going to be doing a close reading the literature worksheet. That'll be for chapter 10. You're going to reread chapter 10 to answer the questions on the worksheet, and that'll be your homework. And that is all.